I'll be discussing example number 3. We are still on geometric sequence, lesson number 6, okay? Pero different naman ang given dito. So here in our problem, let's find the first term of the geometric sequence whose fourth term is negative 40 and whose common ratio is negative 2. Okay? So, ulitin natin. So, we're going to find the first term. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is the first term, this one, in the given formula. Okay? Yun nga lang, let's find the given. So, yung mga given muna natin, lagay natin dyan. So, sabi dyan, find the first term. So, ito yung hinahanap. Okay? Of the geometric sequence whose fourth term. So, fourth term. Given yung fourth term natin, the notation for the fourth term is a sub 4. So, who's on the fourth term? So, sabi dyan, kung sino yung nasa fourth term, that is negative 40. So, ibig sabihin, a sub 4 is negative 40. What happened to my pen? Yan. And then, whose common ratio is negative 2. So, dalawa lang yung given natin. Yung a sub 4 and the common ratio which is negative 2. So, here, I'm going to show you two different methods. Okay? So, pili na lang kayo kung ano yung method na mas prefer nyo. Okay? So, first method muna natin is we're going to use the formula. So, let's have method number 1. So, method 1 is we're going to use the formula which is, use the formula. Which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So, here, ang given lang natin, lagay natin dito yung given. So, ang given natin ay a sub 4 which is negative 40 and the common ratio is negative 2. Yan lang. Okay? So, yan lang yung given natin. Ngayon, pag sinabi natin a sub 4, pwede nating sabihin na this is now our last term. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the sequence, ito yung pinakadulo natin. So, pwede nating ilagay, ang n natin yan, pwede natin dagdagan yung ating, wait lang, pwede natin dagdagan yung, pwede natin dagdagan yung given natin ng n. Kasi given na yun, yung 4. So, that means ang n natin pwede siyang maging 4. Kasi hanggang 4th position tayo. So, kung papakita ko yan para mas maintindihan nyo, pakita natin. Ayusin na natin yon. So, a sub 4 natin. Kasi sabi dyan, the last term. So, that means, kung eto yan, yung given natin, ang a sub 4 natin is negative 40. So, this is your a sub 1. So, ito yung hinahanap natin, yung a sub 1. So, this is a sub 2, this is a sub 3. So, hindi natin hinahanap yung a sub 2 and a sub 3 dyan. Only a sub 1 lang. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, the number of terms that we have is 4. So, pwede natin palitan yung n natin ng 4. Okay? So, ngayon, solve natin using the formula. So, ang a natin yan, ayan, a sub n, ang n natin will be 4. Okay? Now, a sub 1 is not given kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. Then, the common ratio is negative 2. So, pwede natin palitan yan ng negative 2. And n natin is 4. So, 4 minus 1. Okay? So, tingnan nyo pa rin yung formula nyo. Baka may pwede pa tayong palitan or substitute. Okay? So, you can see a sub 4. To. So, pwede pa natin yung substitute kasi meron pa tayong given na a sub 4 here. At who's on a sub 4? That is negative 40. Sino yung nasa a sub 4 na yon? So, papalitan natin si a sub 4 ng negative 40 kasi siya yung nasa 4th position. Okay? I hope naintindihan nyo ko doon. Equals a sub 1. Hindi natin alam yan. Kaya, i-rewrite lang natin siya. So, we have negative 2. And then, i-work out natin itong 4 minus 1. Kasi nga, based on the last example, diba, PEMDAS rule. So, i-work out muna natin yung exponent. So, 4 minus 1 is 3. Next step. So, hindi natin pwedeng pagsama yung negative 2 and negative 40 kahit na pares lang constant. So, ang workout pa rin natin is the exponent here. So, let us rewrite negative 40 is equal to a sub 1. So, workout natin yung exponent. That means, multiply nang natin to by itself. So, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So, negative 2, negative times negative, positive. Diba? So, magiging positive yan. I-multiply pa natin siya sa negative. So, positive times negative, the answer is negative. Ayan. Next, 2 times 2, 4. Times 2, 8. So, the answer there is negative 8. Okay? So, erase lang natin yun. Ayan. So, next step. We have negative 40 is equal to a sub 1 multiply negative 8. So, the operation between these two is multiplication. So, ang hinahanap natin, the goal here is ma-isolate lang natin si a sub 1. So, ang kailangan natin gawin dyan is matanggal natin yung katabi niya, which is negative 8. Since their operation is multiplication, so we're going to do is get the opposite of that operation, which is division, diba? So, magdi-divide niyan tayo. So, since multiplication yan, magdi-divide tayo both side by kung sino yung katabi ng a sub 1. So, ang katabi ng a sub 1 is negative 8. So, magiging di-divide natin yan both sides by negative 8. So, makakancel to. Okay? So, next step is, i-divide na natin tong dalawa. So, negative divide by negative is positive. 40 divided by 8, that's the answer is 5. Then, since ito, na-cancel na to, kasi negative 8 divided by negative 8 is 1 na. Magiging 1 na yan. Okay? So, dahil 1 na yan, magiging 1a sub 1 yan. So, may 1 na si a sub 1. Hindi na natin isusulat yung 1. Okay? Or, pwede siyang 5 is equal to a sub 1 or it can be a sub 1 is equal to 5. So, this is now our final answer. Okay? So, ang magiging conclusion natin for that is, therefore, the first term or a sub 1 natin in the geometric sequence is 5. Positive 5. Okay? So, that's the first method. Now, let me show you the second method. Okay? So, for the second method, this is the alternative way. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung given natin kanina. So, ang given natin kanina ay a sub 4 is negative 40. And the common ratio is negative 2. So, kung isusulat ko yan, we have a sub 1. This is a sub 1, diba? This is a sub 2. And this is a sub 3. And this is a sub 4. So, yung term on a sub 4 is negative 40, right? So, negative 40 yan. So, since we already know the common ratio, and di ba pwede naman natin yung i-work backward? So, pag sinabi natin work backward, wait lang. Usog lang natin yan dito. Pwede tayong mag-work backward. So, di ba kapag nagsosolve tayo, yan, di ba nagmumultiply tayo? So, ang common ratio natin is negative 2. So, that means nagmumultiply tayo. to get negative 40. Right? So ngayon, para makuha natin yung first term, pwede tayo mag-work backward. So, ano kaya minultiply ko sa negative 2? Ay, sa negative 2 para maging negative 40 siya. So, syempre medyo mahirap yon if you will guess, di ba? So, since multiplication to, nag-multiply tayo, let's get the opposite of multiplication. So, pabaliktad tayo niyan. Ang gagawin natin is we're going to do the other way, which is divide. Diba? So, multiplication, kapag papunta tayo sa right side, then if we're going to do the backward, pwede tayo mag-divide. Para hindi tayo mag-guess. So, magdi-divide tayo ng common ratio. Same pa rin. So, i-divide natin is negative 2. Okay? So, negative divide by negative, the answer is positive. Tama? So, positive na yung answer natin dito. So, and then 40 divide by 2, the answer is 20. Right? So, since it's positive na, pwede natin tanggalin to. Yan. So, try natin ng multiplication. So, 20 times negative 2. That is negative 40. So, tama yung answer, di ba? So, ang gagawin na lang natin yan is mag-work backward tayo. Mag-divide tayo ng negative 2. So, positive yan. Divide by negative. So, the answer is negative. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Kalahati ng 20. Tama? Yan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, alternate yung sign. Yung sign natin. So, we have negative, positive, negative. So, automatically, yung magiging answer natin dito sa A sub 1 is positive. Okay? So, magdi-divide ulit tayo ng negative 2. So, negative divided by negative is positive. So, we do not write it anymore na kasi positive na siya. And then, 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Okay? So, ang A sub 1 natin is 5. So, ito yung kaninang na-solve natin. So, similar lang siya. Yun nga lang, we use different method. Okay? So, which one is the easiest? So, nasa inyo yun, kung ano yung mas madali sa inyo. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, ngayon, magko-conclude lang na tayo. So, therefore, the first term, or A sub 1 natin, is 5. Ganun lang siya. Okay? So, that's it for example number 3. Okay? So, huwag kakalimutan, you'll be working dun yung mismong sit work nyo after you watch this video. Okay? See you!